Okay, Steve's quick tomato sauce. Some would even say cowboy. For this you will need 1 onion chopped, some chopped bacon or gammon. I've got more than you need really, but it was just sitting in the fridge so I've used it. Basically all you're going to need is about that much, maybe 100 grams, but this is for 2 portions. You will need some all-purpose seasoning, some oil, 1 can of chopped tomatoes, because they're not spaghetti in tomato sauce anymore, that's what we're making, and some chicken stock. You will need a pan, wooden spoon, and some sort of liquidizing device. All this is quite simple. A little bit of oil in there, put everything in there, add a sprinkling of seasoning, pop it on the stove and slowly fry it for about 5 minutes. Well, it's been about 5 minutes now. The onions are pretty much cooked, the bacon bits are getting there. All we do, quite simply, add the tin of chopped tomatoes, then add 1 can of chicken stock. All I'm going to do is half fill the can with chicken stock, swirl it around to get off any residue tomatoes, pour it in there and do the same again. Now all you do, turn up the heat a bit, bring it to the boil, then simmer for about 5 minutes. Now I'm also going to, I've got the water on as well to get the spaghetti on the go. Okay, the sauce now has been simmering for 5 minutes. All we've got to do now is quite simply put it in the food processor or any type of blitzer and blitz the hell out of it. I'm only going to do this half at a time because I don't want to scald myself. Okay, that's half done. Pour in a bowl. And we'll do the other half. What I did forget to tell you, which is so unlike me, is to add about a tablespoon of tomato puree. Where's my bloody producer? Okay, that's done. Now we just check it for seasoning. Because of the bacon, it doesn't need any salt. So add some pepper. Now what I'm going to do is add half of this sauce to the pre-cooked spaghetti. And then just before I'm going to serve the Scotch eggs, I'll add the other half of the sauce, reheat it, and then we're on our way.